Have you ever cooked a roast chicken in a wood-fired pizza oven? No? You're missing out. The crispy skin, the juicy meat, the smoky flavour, absolutely delicious. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to whip up this amazing meal in a Flaming Coals wood-fired pizza oven. Let's start by getting our fire going. Today, to make our life easier, we're using one of these raised log holders to really promote that extra oxygen flow. We're just going to start with a couple of natural firelighters, some kindling, and some pieces of red gum about the size of your forearm. To really help get the fire going, for the first 10 minutes we're going to leave the door of the pizza oven off and we're going to have the flute completely open, just to really promote that air draw through the oven. After about 10 minutes, we're going to push our fire towards the back of the oven, pop the door on, leaving it open just a couple of inches. We're then going to close the flue about halfway. If we were cooking pizzas today, we'd be aiming for a target temperature of between 400 and 450 degrees Celsius. But today, because we're cooking a roast, we're aiming of a target temperature between 200 and 220 degrees. Very similar to what you'd be cooking inside your home kitchen. While we wait for our wood-fired oven to get up to temperature, we're going to start preparing our chicken. Now this is an extra large chicken that came in at 2.7 kilos. First step is to remove any innards. Next, we're going to pat down the outside and then trim up any of the dangly bits or excess fat. Today, we're going to be seasoning our roast chicken with one of my favourites, the Flaming Coals Clucking Mad Rub. First step is to apply a little bit of olive oil on the outside and rub it in. Make sure you cover the entire surface area just to lock in even more flavour. Our wood-fired oven is now up to temperature, so it's time to pop the chicken, some seasoned potatoes, some rosemary and garlic into a pan and get cooking. We've popped our chicken in our wood-fired oven. I'm estimating a cook time of about 90 minutes or so, but always remember, never go by time alone. Always have an instant read thermometer ready to make sure that all parts of the roast are fully cooked all the way through. And here it is, this delicious, crispy skinned, smoke infused roast chicken with some crunchy potatoes. The only thing left to do is to divide it up and dig on in. That's incredible. The smoky flavour, the rosemary, the garlic, it all just combines so well. As you can see, this was a super easy cook, ideal for family gatherings or just a quick and easy meal at home. But I do warn you, once you've had roast chicken cooked in a wood-fired oven, you're going to struggle to be happy with anything else. Thank you so much for watching. For the full recipe, check out the link in the description below. Give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.